Welcome to the Balanced Flux podcast. I'm Tenny McLeod, and these are my takes on cultivating mental health, enhancing personal productivity, thereby living a balanced life. I hope that you'll be inspired to expand the quality of your life and in turn, empower others along the way. Expect new episodes on Sundays at 1 p.m. UTC on major podcast apps and platforms. And remember that you can always get more information on the website at balancedflux.com. So join me now and every week on this inspiring and fulfilling journey through the Balanced Flux podcast. The thing is, battling boredom isn't just about finding something, or just anything for that matter, just to fill the void. It's about recognizing that this seemingly mundane feeling can actually be a powerful signal, a sign that your mind is craving nourishment, your routine needs a shake-up, or perhaps your deeper emotional needs aren't being met. Ignoring this signal could mean missing out on a treasure trove of creativity, focus, opportunities, and fulfilling experiences. So, picture this. You're sitting through a tedious meeting, your gaze fixed on the clock, desperately counting down the minutes, why, the seconds even. Alternatively, you find yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media for hours on end, a hollow sensation settling in your gut. This is boredom in its most recognizable form, the "I've got nothing better to do" variety. And yet, boredom is a chameleon capable of assuming many guises. It can manifest as the existential ennui that sends you on a soul-searching journey, or as the aha moment that strikes while you're daydreaming in the shower, sparking a brilliant idea. In essence, boredom is a subjective experience, a complex culmination of emotions ranging from apathy and disengagement to an insatiable yearning for purpose and meaning. The good news is that you're not alone in this struggle. Everyone experiences boredom in different flavors at one point or another. That interminable wait at your car's service center is an example of situational boredom. Feeling perpetually unchallenged in your job is known as chronic boredom. And aimlessly pondering your purpose in life, well, that's existential boredom. Now, while it is tempting to dismiss these feelings as mere nuisances, doing so would be akin to ignoring a flashing warning light on your car's dashboard. Before proceeding, dispelling a few common misconceptions about boredom is necessary. First, boredom isn't simply a lack of things to do. On the contrary, it's often a lack of meaningful engagement in the things you do. For instance, imagine having a calendar packed with appointments, yet still feeling that nagging sense of emptiness because those activities fail to resonate with your soul. Second, boredom isn't always a negative force. Directed appropriately, it can act as a springboard for creativity and concentration, propelling you to tackle those daunting projects you've been procrastinating on. And finally, boredom isn't something to be avoided at all costs. Know that it's an inherent part of the human experience, a fertile ground for introspection and self-discovery. Now let's talk about conquering this, unyielding adversary. Overcoming boredom might seem like a daunting task, fraught with challenges. Identifying the root cause might feel like untangling a complex web. Breaking free from ingrained routines can seem insurmountable, and finding truly meaningful engagement isn't always a walk in the park. However, the rewards are profound. Imagine harnessing that restless energy to unlock your latent ingenuity, delve into a captivating new hobby, or simply savor the present moment with heightened awareness. To embark on this voyage of transformation, you must learn to embrace novelty and venture beyond your comfort zone by exploring uncharted territories. Cultivate mindfulness, observing your thoughts and feelings with an open mind and a compassionate heart. Set meaningful goals, not just merely achievable ones, infusing your life with purpose and direction. And so, by employing these techniques, you can transmute boredom from a bothersome foe into a powerful ally, guiding you towards a more vibrant, purposeful, and joy-filled existence. And that's a wrap for this week's episode of the Balanced Flux podcast. A new episode drops every Sunday at 1 p.m. UTC on major podcast apps and platforms. You can also listen to the podcast and extend your support through the website at balancedflux.com. This podcast is intended for informational and educational purposes only. Kindly seek the appropriate care and treatment from licensed professionals. Do join the community on social channels and send your messages there or via email. Either way, if this podcast sparks some form of inspiration, I'd be more than glad to hear from you. Thank you for sharing your time and mind space. Your presence and engagement truly make this journey even more fulfilling and rewarding. I'm Tenny McLeod, signing off for now, and until the next time, stay safe, best wishes, and keep striving to achieve your balanced flux.